How to activate Wi-Fi calling on Samsung S24 Ultra. In this video, I will show you two different methods to enable or use Wi-Fi calling to make a phone call using the Wi-Fi network. Let's see. First method, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the phone app. Tap the three dots at top right. Tap the settings. Now scroll down. Here you can find the Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on it. Now talk and text over Wi-Fi network. Toggle on it. When you toggle on it, you can see option calling preferences. Tap on it. Here you can set Wi-Fi prefer or mobile network prefer you want to use as a Wi-Fi calling. So we select the Wi-Fi prefer. Now let's see second method. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap the connection. Here you can find the Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on the Wi-Fi calling. Here you can toggle on or toggle off the Wi-Fi calling option and set the calling preferences on S24 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.